Hi guys, trust you're doing great. I'm Witty and I welcome you to part 7, which is the last video in this free smart money course series of the Prop Firm Academy. And in this video, I'm going to be doing two things, right? I'm going to firstly be showing you how you can further refine the zones at which you take your entries. And secondly, I'm going to be showing you an easy way out for you to even pick your entries likewise. However, I'm going to be doing this using the trade of the week posted last week for Monday, the trade of the week for last week, which was USD card sell, and so far that's delivered about 1:7 thereabout last week, and that will be what I'll be using to do this explanation. Okay, so first of all, we're going to talk about the concept of premium and discounts. But before then, let's go into the narrative of why USD card was actually the trade of the week and why I chose the sell. If you missed the trade of the week, you can definitely go to the website and check it out and read up on why exactly I chose USD card. But I want to quickly flip through the website so you can see the projection and how exactly it's played out. So simply wittyfx.com, and then forecast and insights. Right, so the trade of the week, 5th of December, read more. Right, so this is it. USD card was the trade of the week. This was the monthly profile. So I like to view the markets from higher time frames and then double down to lower time frames. This is the weekly profile as well, and then this is the daily profile. So this is my focus actually, USD card. So why did I decide to sell USD card? First of all, looking at this, it's obvious that on the daily time frame, USD card is clearly on a bearish trend. And then secondly, I could see an imbalance right here that needed to be filled. So my target was actually to sell from this imbalance. So the moment price got in there, it was I was starting to look for a good entry. However, why exactly did I look to sell from here and not from here or not from here? So that is what I'm going to be explaining today. So let's get back on the chart to see why exactly I chose this zone as my sell zone using the concept of premium and discount. So as you can see, USD card got straight into that zone and sold off. So the concept of premium and discount, not to get confused, you basically just use your Fibonacci tool, draw your Fib tool from the top of the range to the lower part of the range, and basically from 61.8 upwards is the premium zone for you to buy, and then 38.2 downwards is the discount zone for you to sell. So what this basically helps you do is to increase your risk to reward. So what this means is basically, if I want to sell USD card, I'll be looking to sell from this zone, whereas if I want to buy, I'll be looking to buy simply from this zone. And the deeper it is into discount or premium, the higher your risk to reward would likely be. So using that simple concept, I was able to refine that this is exactly where, this is the zone I want to start selling USD card from. And within this zone, I was able to refine USD card into this imbalance from the previous video I posted. Since I'm not looking to buy, let me quickly delete this. And soon as price got in there, now this is where other entry criteria then come. So I simply just switch to the 1 hour time frame, and then on the 1 hour time frame, I noticed there was a break of structure. So as soon as I saw this BOS, this break of structure, automatically I know it's time for me to sell USD card. So the issue now is, at what zone do I then sell from? So once again, you can decide to also use the concept of premium and discount. If I do that, so that means from this point upwards is where I'm looking to sell. So I'm looking for a sell zone within that area. So as soon as that happens, if I zoom in likewise, you can see there was an imbalance on 1 hour, so I could simply just use that as my sell zone. Simply put my sell limit right here, and stop loss could just be right above the 1 hour order block, and that would basically be the entry. And so if you did that, risk to reward, that's about 18 pips stop loss, and price delivered about 1:6, and then it's retraced, and now it's continuing the downtrend. So this is basically what you can do, and you can furthermore even refine your entries on 15 minutes, on 30 minutes, as you like it, so you can get much lesser stop loss. So in this case, you could have further refined even into this imbalance right here, and then you'll have gotten much lesser stop loss. So you just basically need to practice this concept more often. Include the concept of premium and discount in your trading. Include every other concept. So interestingly, if you look at it well, you realize there was also the trend line break. Market structure became bearish after this break of structure occurred, and then you can see an imbalance, you can see an order block right there, and that was from that same zone the market literally just pulled off. So this is basically one of the easiest ways for you to go about your trading. Remember, if you're interested in the full course, simply visit www.thepropfirmacademy.com. You get access to the full course, the mentorship, you get access to trade signals literally every week, and trade ideas every week as often as they occur. Also, make sure to join my free Telegram channel where I do share trade updates, and also I do share the Path to Profitability podcast, which is held every Monday by 7 p.m. So this podcast is basically a psychology session where I share tips and tricks and how you can be a more balanced trader, both mentally and psychologically, because basically so this video covers the technicals. However, technicals alone do not make you profitable. You also need to be psychologically sound for you to then convert those technicals into profits, and that is what the Path to Profits podcast does. It's held every Monday 7 p.m. GMT +1 on the Telegram channel. Simply join the link and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, I also do post the trade of the week every week, literally every week, on the website. Simply go to wtfx.com, forecast and insights, and you can view the trade of the week posted literally every week as often as they occur. And the win ratio so far has been, it's been amazing. It's been over 80% so far. It's been about 90% win ratio so far. So you definitely want to take advantage of the trade of the week likewise. So thank you so much. I do hope you found this free course useful. So go ahead, practice, ask your questions. If you do have questions, join the Telegram channel, and I definitely wish you a much more successful forex career. So this brings us to the end of the free smart money course of the Prop Firm Academy. So thank you so much, guys. I wish you all the best.